welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to download or how to update GeForce Nvidia software. First of all, open your GeForce Nvidia software. Here if you come to drivers, you can see Express installation. In some cases if you click Express installation, it will take some time but it will not show for download. Let's see this. As you can see here, it has made a comment like an error occurred. So for this you can do an alternative like close this tab, then open File Explorer, open this PC, open OS. In this you have to make view, show and hidden item to be enabled. Right now it is not enabled, so view, show, hidden items. Here if you come for program data, you will find Nvidia Corporation. Just go inside Nvidia Corporation, then you will find the downloader option. In this downloader you will be seeing this number, the exactly same number with the software. Here that is 591.59. here you can see 55D which relates the number. Just go inside, you can see here that is 591.59. just click here. It will take few moments. Now you can see there is a pop-up in the bar. If you just click here, it will ask you some necessary permission, give yes. Now you can see it will ask you with the dialog box Nvidia display driver. Just click OK. It will be start downloading driver. Once this get 100% finished, it will open another small dialog box which says to fill all these details to install the new updated software. You should give agree and continue. Just give next. It will take few moments. Just wait for it. The more often there is a bug with Nvidia software which is of this dialog box, hence you will be going and using this way for updating the new version. Just wait for a few moments as it will redirect to new dialog box. Now you can see the running dialog box has been stuck like green. It will be completing until the end to become 100%. Let's wait for a few more minutes to complete this. Now you can see it is finished. Just click on close here. Now just restart your system. That's it. The Nvidia graphics update will be fixed and this will be removed. You can see the tick mark here. It has completed the download and the update. If you just restart your system, it will automatically enable the new version. Thanks guys, thanks for watching.